Hi everyone, and welcome back to Awesome English. This is Level 1, Lesson 5. Wow, we are on Lesson 5 and I am so proud of you and I'm excited to start. And I want to teach you today's new idea. Today's idea is want. What is want? Want is something that you want. Oh, here's an example. My notebook is right here. I want. I have my notebook. I want my notebook. But how about don't want? Oh, it's my homework notebook. I don't want this. Actually, so want is something that you want, and don't want is something that you, no thank you. I don't. Just like that. Okay? So today we will practice a lot of what we have learned. I threw my notebook really far. Got it. Okay. Today we will practice want and don't want, but we will also use lots of things that we learned before, like, don't like, all of those. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is, ice cream. Ice cream. I like ice cream. I want ice cream. See that? I like it. I want it. She likes ice cream. She wants ice cream. She wants ice cream. She wants to eat ice cream. Can you eat ice cream? It hurts my teeth. She wants ice cream. I want ice cream. I like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? She likes ice cream. But do you want some ice cream? I want ice cream. See, want is easy, right? Let's try again with something else. Number 2. Wow. Whew. This is a car. Okay. This is a beautiful car. This is an amazing car. This is, wow, an awesome car. I want this car. I want this car. Do you want this car? Oh, it looks so cool. I want this car. Yeah. I want this car. We want this car. She wants. It's different. So let's listen to this. I want. We want. They want. And the other one is she wants. He wants. It wants. It. It could be like a dog. So the dog, it wants the car. Remember that. Likes, wants, he, she, it. They're the same pattern, okay? What else did we learn? We learned like, we learned can't. Ooh, and we learned, well, today we learned want. So let's try it with the dog. So remember, dog is it. So it likes the car. It wants the car. It can't drive the car. Do you see that? It likes, it wants, it can't. Oh, can't? Can't didn't change, right? So likes, wants, he, she, it. Let's keep practicing. You got this because you're smart. I want that car. Wow. Number 3. What is that? Oh, he's a singer. He's a singer. Ah, this is play the guitar. Guitar, yeah. He has a guitar. Bring. Play the guitar. So he can play the guitar. He likes to play the guitar. He wants to play the guitar. Yeah, he wants to play the guitar. I want to play the guitar. I want to. Want to. Do you see that? Want to. To. But we put it together. I want to. Oh, sneaky, right? I want to. I want to. I want to play the guitar, but I can't play the guitar. Can you play the guitar? Tell me. Leave me a comment. Leave me an answer. Can you play the guitar? I can play the guitar. Little bit. I'm not as good as him. I can't sing though. I can't sing. I can play the guitar. She can play the guitar. He can play the guitar. But we want to play the guitar. She wants to play the guitar. He wants to. He wants to. I want to. Oh, look at that. I want to. TT. But she wants. It's an S. It doesn't together. She wants to. Yeah. Playing the guitar is fun. Let's try the next one. I don't want to do chores. This is a chore. A chore is like a job. Cleaning, washing, fixing. No fun. Chore. No fun. Chore. She wants to do chores. Chores. Yeah. Ugh. Do you like to do chores? I don't like to do chores. I can do chores, but I don't want to do chores. I don't like to do chores. No, really, I don't. But she wants to do chores. Wow. Chores. Chores, remember, no fun. No fun. It's a chore. It's something you don't want to do. Let's look at our next one because I want to see what the next one is. Ah, I know. This is go home. Go home. So he wants, good, he wants to go home. He wants to go home. I want to go home. Where? To America. I want to go home to see my mom. I want to go home to my family. He wants to go home. She is at the pool. She doesn't want. Oh, we learned something new here. Put my notebook there. He wants, she wants, it wants, but the negative, doesn't want. She doesn't want. He doesn't want. It doesn't want. I don't want. We don't want. They don't want. So remember, he, she, and it have their own little pattern. Okay? It's not hard. The more we practice, the easier it is. So, he wants to go home. I don't want to go home. She doesn't want to go home. They want to go home. Cool, right? Let's keep practicing. I threw it really far away again. Oh, okay. Money. Money. This is money. Lots of money. A lot of money. I want that money. I want money. I want this money. I want all of that money. Do you want money? Do you like money? I like money. I want money. He doesn't like money. He doesn't like it. So he doesn't want money. I want money. He doesn't want money. Crazy. I want money. Do you want money? Leave your answers. Remember, practice writing your answers. Let's do the next one. What is it? Ah! Spider. I had to think of something that I don't want, and I don't want a spider. I don't like spiders. All spiders. Ugh. Okay, the little blue spider that's really pretty in a picture, that's okay. I don't want this big spider, this big tarantula. I don't want any spider. I don't like spiders. I can't touch a spider. Do you want a spider? Do you like spiders? Ugh. I don't want a spider. I don't like spiders. They want a spider. We don't want a spider. We don't like spiders. Ugh, I don't like spiders. But we have now learned how to use like, don't like, can, can't, want, don't want, and a bunch of new words. Leave me some practice sentences. Write them. Tell me what you like, don't like, can and can't do, want to and don't want to do, to have. Practice, and I'm excited to see what you write. I want to see what you will write. And I want to see you next time. Goodbye.